think's happening?
When? Who? What? Wow. Where? How?
Okay, we're going to do a read, pair, share. First thing we're going to do is we're going to talk about some of the question words. Do you remember how we used words like where and why and what? What are some of the other words?
How?
How?
No.
When? Exactly. Okay, so, excuse me. We're going to read the first paragraph of Charlotte's Web. You guys are going to read it silently. And then we're going to discuss our who, what, where, when, how. Are you ready? Okay, read it silently to yourself. All right, let's talk about the what. What was happening in that paragraph? Who would like to tell me? Calvin? What was happening in that paragraph?
Papa was going with the axe.
Okay. Benaiah, who was in that paragraph?
The Papa.
Fern. Very good. Excellent. I like the way you sounded that word out.
And Mrs.
Arable. Very good. That's a hard one.
I couldn't find
It was hard. Yeah?
it. Yeah.
Okay, Miss Malaya. When was this taking place?
In the morning.
In the morning. And how do you know that?
Because it said they were sitting at the table for breakfast.
Okay, Miss Allison. Where was this happening? Malayla, can you help her out? Where do you think it was happening? So where do you think? Where do you have breakfast? At your house? Do you have it in the kitchen? Sometimes when we're doing our read, pair, share, you have to modify, which means you need to change your questions to help someone, especially if they can't find it or they can't find the words, right? So you were very helpful with Allison in trying to show her what words. You showed her the words kitchen, and what other words did you show her?
said pigs.
So pigs and the hog house, and that made you think that it was a farm. So a farmhouse kitchen is where they were having their breakfast. Very good. Okay, now I'm going to pair you guys up into groups. I'm assuming you two want to be together? And you two want to be together?
Yeah.
Okay, and what you're going to do is you're going to read the next page, and then you're going to ask yourself, you're going to ask each other the where, the how, the when, the who, and the what. Okay? About that page, so that you guys can discuss. And if the person that you are reading with, if they are having a hard time understanding, how can you help them? Can you change the questions? Yeah. Can you show them the words? Yes. Very good. Well, thank you. Okay, class, what I need for you to do is we are going to go over chapter 1 in Charlotte's Web. So turn your book to chapter 1, Charlotte's Web. Reading the first paragraph silently to yourself. Go. Chapter 1, Before Breakfast. Where's Papa going with that ass? Asked Fern to her mother as they were setting the table for breakfast. Out to the hog house, replied Miss Arable. Some pigs were born last night. So a hog house would be at a farm?
Yes.
Do you agree, Charlie?
Yes.
Okay. What do you think's happening?
I think that what's gonna happen is that one of the pigs are going to get killed because the father had an axe.
Because the father had an axe? Okay, and I have another question. Who do you think the main characters are right now?
Right now it's Fern and the pigs and her dad.
Okay. Aiden, as you read the paragraph, could you figure out where it was taking place?
It was taking place at a farm.
At a farm? How do you know it was a farm?
The front cover, it looks like these are the fencings.
Okay, so you think it's at a farm because of the picture?
Yes.
Was there anything in the first paragraph that tells you where it might be or where the people are?
Kind of, because it said a hog house.
It says a what?
Hog house.
A hog house. Okay, let's look at that again. Let's go to chapter 1. Okay, guys, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put you into pairs. And what I want you to do is I want you to read the whole next page. And then I want you to ask each other the who, what, where, when, and how questions that I just asked you. Are you ready? Would you two like to be a pair?
Yes.
Would you two like to be a pair?
Yes.
Okay.